Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make keto waffles with almond flour. Preheat your waffle iron and gather almond flour, eggs, baking powder, a pinch of salt, sweetener, and melted butter or coconut oil. Whisk batter until smooth and let it rest briefly for better texture. Cook until golden brown and serve with low-carb toppings like berries, sugar-free syrup, or whipped cream. Enjoy warm waffles with coffee or tea for a satisfying low-carb breakfast. Measure ingredients carefully for consistent results every time. Use 1/2 cups almond flour, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons sweetener, 2 tsp baking powder, 1/4 tsp salt, and 3 tablespoons melted butter or oil. Eggs give structure while the almond flour keeps carbs low and the sweetener adds balance. If the batter is too thick, thin with a splash of almond milk. Let the batter rest 5 minutes to hydrate the flour before cooking. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, with a crisp screen and long battery life that fits in a kitchen drawer. It makes following steps easy while you cook, and it's a handy companion for low-carb cookbooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Get the best texture by preheating your waffle iron thoroughly and greasing just enough to prevent sticking. Fold the batter gently and avoid overmixing to prevent a gummy center. Cook waffles until deep golden and crisp, typically 3 to 5 minutes depending on your iron. For extra crispness, transfer cooked waffles to a rack in a warm oven. Store leftovers airtight and reheat in a toaster for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.